Hello Parkside fans, today we are going to look at the 20V cordless LED hand light. It doesn't have battery or charger included in the package, but it has a power cable included to use it around your car. The flashlight has two brightness modes, 1000 lumens and 2500 lumens. It's manufactured in China, of course. Now let's open the package to see the product. In the package we find the flashlight and the adapter cable for your car 12V socket. Made from same plastic as other Parkside tools with black rubber for better grip. The cable adapter can only be used solo without a battery connected. I don't know why they thought this is useful. Cable, it's 3 meters long, but I will certainly not going to use it. I was impressed by the size of this product. From catalog pictures, I couldn't tell that it was this big. Illumination time for 1000 lumens are 160 minutes with 2 amp-hour battery, 350 minutes with 4 amp-hour, 720 minutes with 8 amp-hour, and 1050 minutes with 12 amp-hour battery. We are going to test it with a 4 amp-hour battery. First push of the button activates the flashlight at 1000 lumens. Second push activates the second mode at 2500 lumens. Third push make it to flash like a lighthouse. Fourth push and flashlight is off. Let's see the weight of this tool. Only the flashlight without battery is almost 600 grams. With 4 amp-hour battery is 1.3 kilograms, which is kinda heavy. The good thing, they added a tripod adapter. I did not expected this flashlight to be this powerful. I can see so well above 40 meters, but I bet in the open field it's even better. I'm very happy with this purchase. It was under 20 euros. Can't find other well-known brands selling something similar at better price. If you like or dislike this video, please leave me a message in the comments. Thank you for watching.